My name is Kevina Nyambura. I am the HR expert at the Sandbox. I'm also part of the Capacity Engine. At the Capacity Engine, we ensure that you have the right talent, that they are fully engaged, and that they are competent in their work. At Fanisi HR Solutions, we ensure that you get the right talent for your team, that they are well onboarded, that they have the right documentation. We help you to put together your performance management system. We help you write your HR handbooks, and should there be a termination, we ensure that there are no litigations because we follow the procedure and the legal expectations with you. Reach out to me at the Sandbox or through the other experts at the Sandbox. Karibu Sandbox.